Opposition may field candidate for Lok Sabha Speaker for first time. Om Birla named ruling alliance's candidate for Lok Sabha Speaker. Rahul Gandhi accuses government of disrespecting opposition. With the deadline for nominations for the post of Lok Sabha Speaker approaching, Senior Cabinet Minister Rajnath Singh and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju have been reaching out to opposition leaders to build consensus for the Speaker and Deputy Speaker positions, according to sources. If the opposition INDI bloc announces its candidate for Speaker, it will mark the first time elections are held for the position since independence. Historically, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha have been elected by consensus between the ruling party and the opposition. The ruling alliance has named Om Birla, the Speaker of the 17th Lok Sabha, as its candidate. The elections are scheduled for June 26. Amid the controversy over appointing Bhartrihari Mehtab as a pro-term Speaker, INDIA bloc leaders protested on Monday, holding copies of the constitution inside the parliament premises. In a related development, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh for their handling of opposition relations. Gandhi highlighted a recent statement by Prime Minister Modi calling for constructive cooperation from the opposition, yet noted inconsistencies in their action. Gandhi revealed that Singh reached out to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge to seek support for the Speaker's election. While Kharge expressed willingness to support the Speaker candidate, he emphasized the convention of allocating the Deputy Speaker post to the opposition. Gandhi accused Singh of failing to follow up on his promise, leaving Kharge and the opposition feeling disrespected. Gandhi underscored the opposition's commitment to cooperate if established parliamentary conventions are respected.
अखबार में लिखा है कि प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा है कि ऑपोजिशन को कंस्ट्रक्टिवली सरकार के साथ कोऑपरेट करना चाहिए। ऑपोजिशन ने क्लियरली कहा है, राजनाथ सिंह जी का खारगे जी को फोन आया, राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी से कहा, देखिए आप हमारे स्पीकर को सपोर्ट कीजिए। ऑपोजिशन, पूरी ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है, हमने सब के सब से बात की है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि हम स्पीकर को सपोर्ट करेंगे, मगर कन्वेंशन ये है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन को मिलना चाहिए। राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कल शाम कहा था कि वो खारगे जी को कॉल रिटर्न करेंगे। अभी तक राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी का कॉल रिटर्न नहीं किया है। तो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्टिव कोऑपरेशन हो, और फिर हमारे नेता को इंसल्ट करा जा रहा है। तो नियत साफ नहीं है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी कोई कंस्ट्रक्टिव कोऑपरेशन नहीं चाहते हैं, क्योंकि कन्वेंशन है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन का होना चाहिए, और हमने कहा है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि अगर कन्वेंशन फॉलो किया जाएगा तो पूरा समर्थन स्पीकर के इलेक्शन में हम देंगे।
Gandhi reiterated the opposition's readiness to cooperate provided that established conventions are respected. He emphasized that the opposition has communicated to Rajnath Singh their willingness to support the Speaker candidate, with the expectation that the Deputy Speaker post should be given to the opposition. This stance underscores the opposition's commitment to fair parliamentary practices. News Desk reports such the reality.